floating ship's oceans. I did all my best to smile till your singing eyes and fingers drew me up into your eyes, and you said to me, let me unfold you. Here I am, waiting to hold you. Did I dream? You dreamed about me. Were you here when I was forced out? Now my foolish boat is leaning, broken afloat. For you said, touch me not, come back tomorrow. Oh my heart shines from the I'm as puzzled as a newborn child. I'm as riddled as the tide. Should I stand at the breakers, or should I lie?